Hello guys, welcome to today's video by Trust Stanley at TS Tech Talks video. In today's video guys, I'm going to show you how to create your Instagram Reels on your Instagram. Now on today's video guys, I'm also going to be making use of my iPhone right here to be creating Instagram Reels. Alright guys, so there is a bit of a difference on Instagram Reels on iPhone and on Android. I'm going to show you guys that on my next video, but there are very few changes actually. So let's dive into creating our first Instagram Reels. Now go ahead and open your Instagram. This is the first time I'm creating a video with two mobile devices, so I'm going to have it a bit difficult to navigate. Now go ahead and click on, either you can click on your story up there, or you can click on the plus icon on the top section. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the plus icon. All right, let's go ahead and click on the plus icon right there. Now on default, it should bring the post area. You can notice it displaying post area for us right now. All you need to do is to swipe over to the Reels, or just click on the Reels right there. It's going to display the Reels for you. So once it displays the Reels, that means our Reels is on. Now you can notice that under the Reels, it has some options by the left hand, and on the top section you also have some option. Then that option on the top side has a settings icon, and let me go ahead and click on that. So these are the settings for your Reels. It says you can actually click on the post option to post it to Reels. You can go ahead and change the default camera option to the front camera, that's if you want, and you can change the camera tools to the from the left hand side to the right hand side. That's if those are what you want. Go ahead and toggle on each of them to change them, but if not, let me go ahead and click on done. I don't think I want to change anything right there. Now on this left section, that's your camera tools. You can notice the length of the video that you want to create is actually on 15 seconds, and the second option actually shows you the music icon. Once you click on this music icon, it displays you every music on the genre. Now you can go ahead and search for more music by typing the name of the artist or the name of the song. Let me see if I want to type Post Malone. It should go ahead and search for every song with Post Malone and display it for me. So now I can select the exact song that I want from the result, or I will go ahead and search for more options by entering the song title also. So once you're ready for any song, you can click on this music play icon to choose the song that you want to. You notice the play icon right there, right? Go ahead and click on that to choose the play icon, or to choose the song that you want to add on this your Instagram Reels. But I do not want to make use of any of those songs, but for your case you can go ahead and choose that to add that song for your videos. But if I click on that, there is copyright going to be on this my video, so I'm not going to click on any of the song. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that out. Now there are more things you can do. If you can also set the speed of your recording to to be multiple times. Right now on default is on ×1. That means it's going to play on a normal speed, but if you want to increase the speed of this video, you can go ahead and make it S2 or S3 or S4, whichever one you think will be right for your video. Now again, if you guys are satisfied with that, and just click on anywhere outside if you do not want to make changes to that. If you want to make changes, just go ahead and select anyone. The next icon is for emoji effects, so you can choose that if you want to have some live emoji effects on your video. And then the next one is the filter area, for you to choose the filter for your Reels. Now once you tap any of those, it selects them, and then the last option is for you to time your video. Now you can select the countdown time to start counting your time down to a certain limit, and on default it's set to start counting from 3 seconds, but you can also increase that whichever time you want to increase it to. So once you are ready to set it, just switch this area and then click on the set timer. So it's going to set the timer for your video to start and to end on a certain time, but I want this to set on default. On default is set to 15 seconds, so I'm going to leave it to be on 15 seconds. If not, you can go ahead and reduce this and then click on set timer. So whenever you are ready to do this, go ahead and toggle all this speed or the timer of the video, and then click on set timer right there to set the timer. But I do not want to make use of that. Okay, you know what, let's go ahead and use that. Now it's going to change our timer, but even though it still displays on default to be 15 seconds, no, never mind. So if you're ready to create your story, all you need to do, if you're ready to create your Instagram reels, all you need to do is to click on this big button right there to start recording. Now you notice the timer counted to 3 seconds. Now it has started creating our peak time. It has started creating our reels for us. If you notice on the top section, that pink icon is actually reading. Now it has actually stopped on the 10 seconds, which means it has completely created our video for us. Now if you're ready to publish this video, all you need to do is to click on the forward icon, and now it can say send to. That means you're ready to publish this on your Instagram. So if you're ready to publish this on your Instagram, go ahead and click on this share to icon. Once you click on this share to icon, now there are a few things for you to do. You can change the cover of this story to any other thing you have on your device. Let's say you want to change the thumbnail from this to a different one from your timeline zone. You can just move around your timeline to choose a specific area you think that will be best for you. The reason why this is showing the same icon is because actually on my recording, I only recorded one screen, so it's going to be very similar. Now if you are recorded a real video, you are going to be noticing them moving around the timeline once you're moving around this timeline. So I'm going to choose this on default. Now one more thing, guys, if you want to choose a thumbnail from your gallery or your device or your phone, just click on this add from camera roll. Once you click on the add from camera roll, you can go ahead and choose any of those to be your thumbnail for the video. So this is actually going to be the thumbnail for the video, but once I started playing the video, it's not going to be the same. So if you're okay with this, just go ahead and click on done, and you can notice the caption area. You can always come and change the caption by writing some caption. So once you're done, just click on OK. And now when you're ready to share, just click on share. If you want to tag people, you can go ahead and click on tag people right there to add people's tag. Now you notice where it says share. Once you share this, it's going to display on your Instagram reels. Now if you click on the story, maybe you want to share this to your story also, you can go ahead and tap on story, and then it's also going to display on your story and also on your Instagram reels. But I only want to share this on my Instagram reel, so all I need to do is to click on share button right there. Now it's going to take some time to upload. After it upload, it's going to display on my Instagram right somewhere around there, and also people can play it, and then I will also have a section for the Instagram reels. But I think it's still uploading right now, so it's not going to display immediately. As soon as they finish uploading, I'll be able to play this video. So that is more all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment section, and hopefully I'll be able to answer all of those questions. See you guys on my next video. Stay safe, guys. Peace.